Hello and welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I am making aloo ka paratha. It's a very popular potato stuffed paratha from the Indian kitchen. It's a very delicious and healthy breakfast. Here's the way to make restaurant style aloo ka paratha. First step is to knead the dough. Add 2 cups of wheat flour in a large bowl. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons malai. Give this a good mix with your hands. And now adding half cup milk. Gradually add water and knead the dough till it becomes soft. Add 1 tablespoon oil while kneading. And set aside for 15 minutes. Second step is to make the stuffing. Boil 500 grams potato. Once done, peel off the skin. Grate it nicely, or you can also mash. And to this I am adding 1 teaspoon crushed fennel seeds, half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon kalonji, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon kala namak, black salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. You can also add half teaspoon hing, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped mint leaves, 2 finely chopped green chilies, and finally I am going to add 1 tablespoon oil. Give this a very good mix and set aside. Third step is to knead the dough again to make it more soft. Now make equal small medium sized balls from this dough. Take one of the dough ball and slightly press it. Dust it with some dry flour and roll it to make a circle. And now apply some oil on top and place 2 tablespoon potato stuffing on it. Sprinkle some flour on top. Now bring the edges together and pinch to seal the edges. Roll the stuffed dough in between your palms to make a smooth ball once again. Press the ball slightly, dust it lightly with dry flour and roll gently to make a circle. Don't worry if it's not perfect round. Rolling aloo paratha perfectly takes time and patience. So the last step is to heat a griddle over high heat. Once the pan is very hot, now transfer the paratha on it and cook until brown spots appeal on the base of the paratha. And now I'm going to flip it. Apply 2 tablespoon ghee or butter on it. Flip again and apply 1 to 2 teaspoon ghee or butter on the other side as well. Press it using the ladle and fry until it is nicely golden brown on both the sides. Make all the paratha in the same manner. I will suggest you make them fresh and serve right out of the griddle. You can instead make the dough and aloo filling and store it in an airtight container in the fridge. The best restaurant style aloo ka paratha is ready to serve with curd, pickle and some butter on top. So try this and let me know how it turned out for you. I hope you guys loved this recipe. If you did, give us a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time with more recipes. And follow me on my Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more reels and updates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.